Hi everyone, welcome back to the Login Aid channel. Today for this video of Login Aid, I will be showing you how to place a order from Shein application. So for that, open the application first and then you will need to get logged in into the account. Now once you have opened the application, to place a order on Shein, what you need to do is find the product that you want to order first. So you go through all the products that are available. From all the options, I'm just gonna tap a certain product and I will show you how you can place that order. So from all the options, I'm just gonna choose something. You choose the product and then you need to tap on add to bag. Tap that. This will add that product to the bag list of your Shein app. Once that product has been added, you tap on that bag icon on the top right. Tap that. The number in the bag is the number of items or the product that you have chosen to be added, which you want to check out. And once you're at the shopping bag page, you need to tap on checkout. This page is for confirming your order, where you will need to provide the shipping address over here. The first thing you need to provide is the location. So tap on the location that you want to be delivered. You type in or choose the location from here. Then you will need to provide the further details. Type in your name, last name, phone number, choose your city, type in your city, and you provide all the details that has been needed over here, and then tap on save. Once you tap on save, you will be directed to the billing process where you will need to provide the payment method. You can pay it through the credit card, debit card, or any other form of billing. And once you do that, your order will be confirmed and your order will be delivered as per the time required for the shipping. So this is how you can place a order on Shein. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to the Login Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.